it's Ogden 23. How many hours of TV did you watch this week? Think about it. 1 hour? 3 hours? More? It is okay. We all do it. But today I want to show you a small habit that can give you your time back. And the habit is simple. Turn off the TV. Welcome to the English Flow podcast. My name is Lucas. I am so happy you are here. Before we start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is free and it helps us make more easy English videos for you. Now sit back, relax, and listen. I will speak slowly and use simple words. So, what does turn off the TV mean? The TV is the box with moving pictures. When it is on, it makes light and sound. When you turn it off, the screen goes dark and quiet. You press a button and the TV stops. That is all. It is a small action, but this small action can do a big thing. Why does this matter? Because time is the answer. The TV takes your time. You sit down for just one show and then 2 hours are gone. Where did they go? Into the TV. When you turn off the TV, you get that time back. And time is the one thing you cannot buy more of, so it is a gift to yourself. Let me ask you a question. What do you love to do? Do you like to read? Do you like to walk? Do you like to talk with your family, cook or draw or rest? When the TV is on, you cannot do these things. When the TV is off, you can. The choice is now in your hands. Here is a small example. It is night. Maria comes home from work. She is tired. She sits on the sofa and turns on the TV. She watches and watches and watches. Soon it is very late. She is still tired and now she must sleep. The TV did not help her. It only took her evening. Now let's change the story. Maria comes home. She is tired, but tonight she does not turn on the TV. She makes a warm cup of tea. She sits by the lamp. She reads a few pages of a book. She goes to bed early. In the morning, she feels good. Same evening, different choice. Do you see? I am not saying TV is bad. TV can be fun. It can be nice to watch a good show sometimes. The problem is not the TV. The problem is too much TV. So we do not need to say no TV forever. We just say, not right now. I will turn it off for 1 hour. Small and easy. How can you start? Try this. Pick one time each day with no TV. Maybe in the morning, maybe after dinner. Just 1 hour. Turn off the TV and do one small thing you like. Do it again tomorrow. and the day after. Soon it will feel normal. That is how a habit grows. Slow, one day at a time. Here is one more tip. When you turn off the TV, do not just sit and feel bored. Put something good in that empty time. A book, a walk, a talk with a friend. Water your plants. Clean one small thing. The quiet time feels strange at first, but soon you will love it. It is your time now. Now, here is my favorite idea, because this is an English channel. When you turn off the TV, turn on your English. Use that quiet time to listen. Listen to this podcast. Listen to Lucas. 10 minutes a day is enough. Less TV, more English. Your ears will learn, your words will grow, and you will feel proud. That is a good trade. Yet, so let's remember what we learned today. The TV first thing are try. Too much TV is not bad. TV, when good to not bad, but too much TV is not good. Start small. Time 1 hour no TV each day. He feel that's a made of sailing will you love. One sometimes fill it with good, and you do more time. We are about to mumble another for a bit. Do one thing at a time. It will help you feel calm, hit clear, and hear like a blood thing. Think you will love it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you do not miss it. Thank you for listening, my friend. This is Lucas from the English Flow Podcast.